Hello everyone, we are group number 17. We have worked upon the attribute localization and try to express it in the form of disposable cutlery under the guidance of architect Rahul Dabir sir. So what is localization? Although every one of us is unique, certain aspects unite and separate people into tribes and groups. Basically, localization means to adapt to the locality, culture, geography, people, and the market. Then we choose the Sangli city. Sangli is the turmeric city of Maharashtra. It is located on the bank of Krishna river. Sangli is one of the districts in Maharashtra in western India. It is known for the largest production of sugarcane grapes and the largest number of sugarcane factories in India. Sangli has semi-arid climate with 3 seasons. Reddish brown soil and black alluvial soil is present. There is 25.11% of urbanity and majorly people live in villages. Bagasse, wheat straw, bamboo, mud and pearls are the raw material produced there. Now let's move to some local mouth-watering delicious of Sangli, which being akka musur, puran poi, bhakri and thecha, modak, kurma puri, shira and masala bhat, non-veg thali and jalebi. Greasy cutlery and plates have always been a problem. Solution to this very problem was disposable cutlery, an easy and economical way to serve and have your food with only one time use and dispose later. Isn't it amazing to have cutlery of your own, lightweight, economical, and not to worry about whether it washed or not? This disposable plastic cutlery was a boost to the food world, but plastic seems a pretty harsh word now as the world is turning towards environmentalism and serving our planet Earth. But what if our cutlery was still disposable and environmental friendly too? What if the cutlery we use could be eaten too? What is edible cutlery? It is the cutlery which is edible and is strong enough to hold your food till the very last bite, and new concept where the cutlery can be eaten after consuming the food or drink. The main helpful feature of edible cutlery it is creates no waste because you can eat along with the meal or feed it to the animals after use, or you can just dump it in the soil. The edible cutlery includes products like spoon, cups, plates, chopstick, and etc. The production process involves basic operations like kneading, sheeting, molting, baking, and etc. Edible cutlery contains the grains, millets, pulses. It has great shelf life. Here is the process of making an edible cutlery. Sangli, being a producer of wheat and jawar, supports the making of edible grain cutleries. After preparing the dough and molding them into shapes, they are baked till 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes them hard enough to hold the food and also crunchy treat you. But these cutleries could attack a lot of ants and hence mint, garlic, cinnamon, turmeric. These natural flavored spices and herbs are used to avoid ants and insect attack. Also and provide the best flavors to our tongue with ant repellent properties. Bagasse, a biodegradable plate made of sugarcane, remains degraded in approximately 180 days. Since it returns natural materials back to earth, this plate is superior to a plastic throwaway plate. The making of bagasse plate. The bagasse is converted into wet pulp and then converted to dry pulp. Anti-water pulper is added to make the substance sturdier. Once blended, the mixture is piped into preparation tank and then molding machines. The molding machine instantly places the mixture into the shape of ball or plate. The plate and balls are 100% biodegradable and completely break down in 90 days in compost facilities. Our design intervention was to work on one certain local food of Sangli and design a unique disposable cutlery for the same. Puran poli, the famous dish of Maharashtra, it's sweet dish which is prepared by roasting delicious chana dal and jaggery stuffed puran poli in clarified butter. The dish is served hot in plate. In Sangli, this dish is served with some ghee, guravni and curry and also some rice. We tried to designing a disposable bagasse plate where puran poli could be served as per the Sangli tradition with the ghee, gulavni and some rice and curry. We choose a spiral ascending for the plate with sections to serve the different cuisines. The form itself is sustainable and all the delicious could be served at once after the use. The plate could be disposable to the soil. Like this, we can serve our Puran Poli thali having different compartments for rice, Puran Poli, curry, ghee, and for the guroni. Thank you.